Alright. Not funny, right?
Hey, want to write an essay?
Yeah, it's
Alright.
an essay.
Gamerness. Oh, wait, shit, this isn't the right font.
Doing this in MLA format.
Yeah, MLA format. We're gonna write it in the Oswald font.
Yeah, Oswald, yeah, 12-point Oswald font.
It's a video.
No. It's not over yet.
It's not over yet?
Not over yet. We gotta read this motherfucker.
Alright, we're gonna read the other person's paragraphs, I think.
Exactly. Yeah.
Alright.
Tetris. Not important. Gamer Nest, Professor Gamer 2, Gameology 101. The future. The economic exploitation of the working class and Tetris. Tetris. Not important. This essay is going to be about a nice little car I bought in 1983. This car, known as a Tesla 4, has no reasons why it reasons it. For Dante can bite my shiny metal Tesla. That's not an insult, it's an offer. Next, we need to discuss our thesis statement. The thesis is statement. Economic exploitation occurs in Tetris because of states' rights, murder, and addiction.
First, I'd like to discuss why Tetris exploits people. Firstly, this shit is repackaged every year and sold to the masses for 30 more than last year. That's fucking bullshit. I don't want to pay $30 for Tetris with an anime girl on it, and neither do you. We're all in it for the sweet taste of Tetris. Nothing more. No gimmick mechanics, no anime girls, no special effects, nothing. I want to eat the Tetris.
So without further ado, let's discuss the economic repercussions of modern-day industry. Without further government oversight, Big Brother can look right into your ass. got a nice little telescope that he can use to really get deep up there. Figure out what's wrong. Trust me, you don't want to be on the wrong end of Big Brother's telescope. So with this in mind, let's not lose track of the issues. Where can we find the issues? The newspaper. What's in the papers today? Nothing. The newspaper industry is dying. Another classic example of modern-day industry exploitation. The workers are frying. Anyways, today I found a cool pocket watch and tried opening it. There's only a metal M&M in it. A fucking waste of space, right? Didn't even taste good. Furthermore, there's no reason why anybody would find a green M&M tasty.
I'd like to draw your attention to the funny little thing in my pocket. Excellent. It is not. It is my worry rock. I rub it when I am stressed. This worry rock is the perfect thing for when I get stressed. I just reach in and start rubbing. Wait, what? I'm supposed to take the smooth stone with an easy grip and thumb groove out of my pocket first? What? People think I'm rubbing my genitals in there? Okay. Maybe I'll take it out before rubbing it. Here. Now you can see it too. I love its soft green color. It'll probably start adding value to the relaxing nature of the thing when I do this method now.
Alright, with that out of the way, we talking about mortgages? The mortgages these days are murder! Alright, that's just the start. I was so alone. So terribly, terribly alone. Then I saw it. Tetris. It's completely changed my life. Tetris taught me that, no matter how low you are, love to love. Why isn't it working? Anyways, can we talk about how murder can lead to Tetris? That first GamerNest video, the Tetris one. I was the one playing Tetris. Dante. That's right, you're fucking stupid. Seriously, you thought that was Dante? I was literally laughing at all of you the entire time. You can hear it in the video. There are a few sections where I chortle with glee at the thought of your drooling mouths foaming with glee, believing the Tetris player to be Dante when it was in fact me. I always get the last laugh, fools. You are nothing to me, but wonderful, loyal viewers who I love very much. Without you guys, we'd still be stuck in a hole in the ground.
I'm addicted to Tetris, and the free market exploits that. I don't need to elaborate, it's pretty self-explanatory, but for the simple-minded simple minds out there, I would like to discuss this further. The free market, a market which is free, is wholly under the service of the laws of supply and demand. What does the free market supply? Tetris. What do I demand? In ever-increasing quantities due to an insatiable addiction and a tolerance over time to the positive effects of this thing? Tetris. Therefore, the market has a stranglehold over my PEA brain. My PE brain, damn it.
No, it's an acronym if you think about it.
And it wants to take my goddamn money.
Well, if we're being completely honest, there's no end to the fury. The crystal powder that I inhale through my nostrils every day gave me flight powers. I'm able to scale tall buildings in a single, I'm single. Anybody want some of this? Anyways, Tetris is absolutely vital to the economy. Without Tetris, the economy would be crash. Without the economy crash, wars would be everywhere. An awful fate. What a guy. Mr. Tetris, thank you so much. But you exploit workers so. That Tetris is a cruel mistress. Tetris giveth, Tetris taketh. Without Tetris, where would you be now? Where would your neighbor be now? These are the questions that you have to find answers to on your own. By the way, we're doing an I Have No Mouth and I'm a Scream video pretty soon, so look out for that. MLA format, losers.
If I BLJ right here and now, it'll be the end of us all. I'll exit this world and be but a phantom, while the rest of you suffer exponentially onward. It's selfish. It's a fool's way out, but it would also be very funny. Thus, I come to you with a heavy heart and a hearty chuckle, because, obviously, I'm gonna BLJ Lumfowl.
Alright, now we gotta read this one at a time. So, gullible.
Frugal.
Dante.
Has.
No.
Style.
Phallus.
Or.
Yacht.
I'll.
Provide.
The.
Phallus.
But.
Not.
The.
Yacht.
Tetris.
Camps.
Why.
No.
We.
Teach.
Tetris.
In.
School.
I'll.
Tell.
You.
Why.
Source.
The.
Fingies.
Get.
Sweepy.
Swas.
Afto.
Quo.
Tetris
Activity.
with
Recent.
sets
Source.
are
Able.
to
Grow.
fingers
Themselves.
without
Sex.
we
See.
more
Sores.
growing
Then.
fingers
Thus.
bus
My.
bus
And.
kiss
My.
whips.
Ah, what an excellent video that we've created here.
Yeah, that was a good video. Objectively good video.
That was a good video.
That was a good video. I think we've done good today.
Yeah, I get the sense that there are no amphibians that are going to attack soon, causing you to scream to end the video.
Yeah, I don't think that's true. There's a knock on the door. Hang on 1 second. Let me go see what's up.